Welcome back everyone to Mr. Hassan Rev, the channel where we dive deep into the latest rides, RVs, and travel homes that set new standards in comfort, technology, and design. Today, we're looking at one of the most iconic names in the RV world, the 2026 Airstream Flying Cloud. Known for its timeless silver bullet design, the Flying Cloud continues to be a symbol of freedom, adventure, and style. But the 2026 model isn't just about holding onto tradition. It's about upgrading it with smart features, luxurious comfort, and modern touches that make it a serious contender for anyone looking to hit the open road. The first thing that always captures your attention with the Airstream Flying Cloud is its polished aluminum body. That iconic, aerodynamic shape doesn't just look incredible, it also improves towing efficiency. The 2026 model stays true to its heritage, but Airstream has made subtle refinements to improve insulation, durability, and structural strength. For those who plan long journeys through different climates, this makes a huge difference in comfort and efficiency. You get that vintage Airstream look, but with 21st century upgrades that make it road-ready for years to come. Step inside and you'll immediately feel the difference between the Flying Cloud and a standard RV. Airstream has designed the interior to be bright, open, and comfortable. The panoramic windows flood the cabin with natural light, giving you stunning views from every angle. The cabinetry, furniture, and fixtures are crafted with Airstream's signature precision, combining premium materials with a modern design style. Soft, neutral tones dominate the interior, creating a calming space where you can relax after a long day of travel. It feels less like a trailer and more like a luxury tiny home on wheels. The 2026 Flying Cloud is available in multiple floor plans, catering to solo travelers, couples, or even families. Whether you choose the smaller 23-foot option or go up to 30 feet, Airstream makes sure you have efficient use of space. The living area often includes a convertible dinette, a comfortable sofa, and plenty of storage overhead. The kitchen is compact yet fully functional, with a stainless steel sink, premium countertops, a refrigerator, a microwave, and a high-performance stove. Airstream's attention to detail makes sure you don't feel like you're sacrificing home comforts while on the road. One of the most appreciated features in the Flying Cloud is its sleeping arrangement. The 2026 models continue offering a choice of queen or twin beds, depending on your floor plan. The beds are comfortable, with memory foam mattresses and high-quality bedding options. Privacy curtains and partitions make it possible to create a cozy retreat inside, which is especially valuable for families traveling together. Storage beneath the beds, along with wardrobes and cabinets, means you can bring along more than just the essentials. Moving to the bathroom, Airstream designs it to be practical and comfortable. Depending on the floor plan, you'll either find a split bath with the shower on one side and toilet on the other, or a fully enclosed bathroom. The fixtures are modern and functional, with good water pressure from the onboard system. For travelers who spend extended time off-grid, the water-saving design really comes in handy. Now let's talk about technology and convenience. The 2026 Flying Cloud comes equipped with smart control features, allowing you to manage lighting, climate, and tank levels from a digital panel or even your smartphone. Wi-Fi and solar-ready systems are available, making sure you stay connected no matter where your journey takes you. The improved climate control system keeps the trailer comfortable in both hot and cold environments. Add in USB ports, Bluetooth connectivity, and smart entertainment systems, and you have a trailer that balances classic Airstream charm with modern convenience. In terms of towing, the Flying Cloud remains one of the easier Airstream models to handle, thanks to its aerodynamic build and balanced chassis. Safety features like electric brakes, stability systems, and durable axles make towing smoother and more predictable. Airstream knows that not everyone is an expert in hauling, so they've designed the Flying Cloud to be approachable while still sturdy enough for long trips. One of the things that really stands out about the Flying Cloud is its versatility. It's not just for retirees or weekend travelers, it's perfect for digital nomads, adventurous families, or anyone who values mobility without giving up comfort. The interior feels customizable for different lifestyles, whether you're working remotely, homeschooling kids, or just escaping the city for a quiet getaway. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Airstream Flying Cloud sits in the premium RV category, but many owners will tell you it's worth every penny. Between the resale value, build quality, and timeless design, you're not just buying a trailer, you're investing in a legacy of travel freedom. Unlike many RVs that quickly lose their appeal, an Airstream holds its charm and market value for years. So, is the 2026 Airstream Flying Cloud worth it? If you want a blend of classic design, modern convenience, and reliable performance, the answer is yes. It's not the cheapest option out there, but for those who prioritize quality and want an RV that feels like a second home, it's hard to beat. That wraps up our in-depth review of the 2026 Airstream Flying Cloud. It's sleek, stylish, and built to make every journey memorable. Whether you're planning cross-country adventures or weekend escapes, this RV continues to prove why Airstream remains the gold standard in the industry. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mr. Hassan Rev for more detailed breakdowns of the latest rides in RVs.